In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your workflow when using the AI wiring checks in the Installer app. The Enphase Installer app will ask you for photos of your 4th generation battery storage system component wiring to check for wiring errors and lend a helping hand to help correct any errors that may have been made out in the field. This app will use AI to show you the optimal way of capturing and scanning those images so your commissioning experience goes smoothly. The first thing you'll want to note is that you should capture all necessary images during the installation. You'll want to take clear photos during the electrical installation while all the covers are off to avoid delays later. Taking equipment apart and putting it back together just to get photos can be time-consuming, so it's best to do that while you're building your job. If the person taking the photo is different from the person commissioning, send the pictures offline so you could upload them during commissioning. While we're on the subject of not losing time assembling and disassembling equipment, it's important to keep the covers open on all your storage system components until the AI-based wiring checks are complete. Do not close covers or dead fronts until the wiring checks are done. You may need to retake the images. You can upload all the images as quickly as you like. AI analysis will run in the background. Let's look at an example. You'll start by scanning the serial number for whatever device you're working on. Then you'll click the Add Wiring Pictures button. After that, you'll have the opportunity to either add a photo that you have already taken or open your camera to take a new photo. Let's assume that you're taking a new photo. Point your camera at whatever you're trying to show, take the picture. And then you will be able to crop, confirm, or retake the picture. If it's good, hit the confirm button, go to the next screen. You'll see it takes a bit for each image to upload. There is no need to wait for the image to finish uploading. Just move right along to the next image you need to add and the AI tool will work in the background. Here's a list of the photos you'll need. In the combiner, you'll photograph the AC breakers, the combiner communications header, and the meter collar header. In the battery CAN board, the battery AC wiring, and both the battery DC connectors for all the batteries on site. And in the meter collar, the CAN communications port and the location of the meter collar. When you take your photograph, try to make sure that the distance, angle, and location of those photographs are very similar to the reference photographs you see in this presentation. Make corrections and retake images if the analysis fails. Make the recommended corrections and just take another image. Try cropping the image so that the tool can get a better view. If an error is detected, the Installer app will give you a recommended fix for the problem. Just make the fix and upload another photo. Once your wiring check is complete, you can feel free to close up all your dead fronts and your covers and complete the commissioning process. Thank you.